XRP holders, we are about to witness the next violent move on XRP. And in this video, I am going to be outlining exactly why I believe that this is the case. And I'm also going to be outlining a lot of information behind XRP that we now have due to the quarterly report coming out for quarter 3. Now, full transparency, this is not quarter 4, which is when all of these big moves did start to happen, but I'm showing you guys the build up to where we are at right now. So with that being said, welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. So the overall market has been going through a little bit of a fluctuation over the last roughly 48 hours. And as we do really kind of look at that, XRP is still in the top 3, sitting just under $2.70 at the time that I'm recording this. We are just under Ethereum's trading volume. Nothing too crazy there. Overall, last 30-day percentage here, 400 and almost 22%. We go to the last 7 days, up 86%. But the big thing that I'm going to be focusing on in this video is why I believe that this next move on XRP is about to be very violent. And I do think that everyone should prepare for it, because if you're not, it might just take you just by storm. Because I do think on this next big move, it's not just going to be breaking a few levels. It's going to be retargeting the 2017-2018 all-time high. Now, with that being said, let's talk about a few things happening behind XRP that's actually promoting and ultimately pushing the XRP ledger to new heights and bringing in a lot of fresh faces, a lot of fresh volume, even new utility cases and applications and things like that. And that is, of course, EasyA app. Today, we're thrilled to announce what we've been working on with Ripple. The XRP ledger mainnet is now live on EasyA. And yeah, this is actually a very big deal, because they already have 1 million plus developers, and we have our 1 million plus developers are coming to build on the XRP ledger. They've been backed by A16Z, YC, and many more top VCs, and they have one task: build on the XRP ledger. Phase 1 has now officially begun. Just imagine what happens when these founders launch. Let's welcome our EasyA gigabrains to the XRP ledger. It's time to build. Guys, 1 million plus developers. This is absolutely insane. I'm very excited to see what new applications are coming to the XRP ledger. There's going to be definitely a lot of new utility on the XRP ledger as well from some of these applications. So this is definitely something to keep a close eye out on, because again, these are all building towards that network effect. So love to see it. Now, also, like I said, the quarterly report is out for quarter 3. Masari Crypto did post it earlier, yesterday actually. And I was looking over it, and guys, it's actually pretty crazy, because this is before XRP went crazy. I mean, just to really kind of look at this real quick, this report only goes up to the point where XRP was trading at just under a $36 billion market cap. XRP's market cap today is over 150 billion. So just wait until the quarterly report comes out for quarter 4. But we have key update. Ripple, along with the broader XRP community, announced plans to introduce native smart contracts, which would open up new DeFi possibilities on the network. Quarter over quarter metrics, daily transactions up 94%. The market cap was up 31.1%. And the daily AMM volume was also up 9%, which also, that's another thing. In October, the AMM went absolutely insane. I put a spotlight on it. I'm very excited to actually see those metrics on the next report. But also, we actually have down here that quarter 4 XRP ledger stat update will be unreal. And here we actually have, they're already kind of piecing it together, but this is the, next 3 months already. And guys, just for reference, we're only getting started. But XRP is already outperforming Ethereum, Bitcoin, and even Solana. 393% versus 67% versus 47% as well, and versus 66%. Now, the percentages at the top are different, but I'm going off of the numbers on the right side of the screen. But yeah, it really is unreal. But if we go over here as well, we can actually see a few things. Now, yes, they do talk about the native smart contracts, which is a huge deal. But also we have the average daily transactions increased 94% quarter over quarter to 1.7 million. And also total new addresses increased 10% to 105,000. In August, they announced that the USD peg stablecoin RLUSD is in private beta on both the XRPL and also Ethereum and pending regulatory approval. And then, of course, a native lending protocol is in development for users to lend and borrow supported assets such as XRP, stablecoins, wrapped Bitcoin, and wrapped Ethereum using single asset vaults. And also, amendments were passed introducing decentralized identity, which enables verifiable digital identities and price oracles for pricing wrapped and bridged assets to the XRP ledger. So listen, there's been a lot of major changes happening around the XRP ledger. We could also see the circulating market cap, the price, transaction fees, which a lot of this definitely has increased from, quarter two. But then also we see some decreases happening from like quarter one. Regardless of that, I do think that the quarter four report is going to really show you just how major some of these changes have been for the overall ledger, the ecosystem, the community. I mean, I'm very excited to see the quarter four report simply because I think it's going to be absolutely insane. But as we do really kind of look at some of these fluctuations, as we look at, some of these metrics, it's very clear that XRP has been starting to wake up for a little bit of time now. It's just not, in the last month. This has slowly been building. I always say that these moves happen because of pressure being built behind the scenes. That's also why I always report on the news that's happening around these networks, even though the price action actually isn't there. It's all building towards that. Now, I did put out a post over on X. And I said, I feel like XRP is about to completely blast through the $3 level to retest the all-time high before the end of the week. And the reason why I believe this is because as we look at XRP right now on the lower time frame, I'm looking at this at the 4 hour. I'm recording this around roughly almost 6 a.m. And as we really look at the overall price chart, guys, this is insane. Okay. If we're looking at the pattern, we have watched this pattern repeat multiple times. Right now on the 4 hour, we are starting to chop sideways after having a significant wick down into liquidity. This is basically a flush. And now we have found support right around $2.50. And we're starting to chop to the upside. Now, the second that we actually have a move over $2.90 roughly, we are targeting the all-time high. This move is going to ultimately push XRP into a violent phase where price discovery happens. That's the violent phase of the cycle for any altcoin, breaking into price discovery, because that's when the fastest moves are made in this market. From the all-time high to $5 to $7 to even $10, if we see it, it's going to happen very fast. This is why I say, if you are not prepared for this, your emotions are going to get the best of you, and they're ultimately going to take over. And you're going to start making impulsive decisions. You're not going to know what to do. So I just want you guys to understand that this is most likely going to be happening very soon. We're sitting in the waiting room just waiting for the all-time high. And while we do so, even as we look at the XRP Bitcoin pair, a pattern is printing, very similar to the moves from November 16th all the way through the 21st. Let's go back to this chart on the daily, okay? And let's go back to November 16th through the 21st. Guys, this is November 16th. This is the 21st. This is that, next big phase. Now, this whole move from the 21st essentially was over 169%. If this happens from this area that we're trading at right now, then that would be roughly $7 on XRP. Now, the reason why I believe that this could very well be the next phase for XRP is because of how similar the pattern on the Bitcoin pair actually is. This should technically start on December 7th into December 8th, where we do start to see a big breakout above this resistance level on the Bitcoin pair. The Bitcoin pair is going to be the most important thing that you watch over the coming days. Now, what's driving all of this around XRP? A lot of people have been saying it's just retail buying up XRP. The trading volume that's been on XRP is telling us a different story. This isn't just retail. And in fact, what's crazy about this is that Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, literally confirmed this. Let's go over to it. Austin Reed, who is the global head of revenue and business at crypto prime brokerage firm Falcon X, he put out a statement saying, XRP trading is on fire. We've seen 10 times the growth in volume at Falcon X between the first and second halves of quarter 4. This isn't just retail action. Institutions are driving the momentum. And Brad Garlinghouse reposted this, which essentially confirms that this isn't just retail. This is a mix of retail with institutions. And if this is happening now, just imagine what's going to happen when we have the institutions utilizing the tech. This is going to start a much bigger snowball effect. But I'm very excited this cycle to witness XRP's growth. And I do think that this next move on XRP, guys, it is going to be very, very violent. So just make sure that you guys are prepared for this, and make sure that you are also taking profits and you have a plan in place. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe to notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.